Good morning dear children, welcome to Gurudeva online classes. So in the previous class we have solved the exercise 1 2.1. So in this class we are going to learn about the multiplication of fractions, and the objectives are multiplication of fraction. First one, multiplication of fractions by a whole number, and the second one is multiplication of fraction as an operator of. Okay, then the third one is multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Okay, the first one is multiplication of fractions. In that, so multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So here I have drawn a picture. What is the fraction of this picture? Yes, we can write it as it is 1 by 4. Right? And here also there is a picture. The fraction represents 1 by 4. So which is equals to, so here it represents 2 by 4. Here there are the two shaded portion of the 4. Okay. So what is the product of 1 by 4 into 1 by 4? So you will see here 1 by 4 is 2 times. Right. So we can write it as 2 times of 1 by 4, which is equals to 2 by 4. You may see here we shaded the 1 by 4 part as 2 times, and we will take the product as 2 by 4. Right? So how to multiply the fraction by a whole number? Means just you have to write down the numerator, whole number with the numerator, and write the denominator as it is. So now you may see here 2 into 1 is 2 divided by denominator as same. Okay? It is the fraction of a multiplication of fraction by a whole number. You may also see an example. So 3 into 1 by 2. So you may also multiply here. 3 is a whole number. We know that in the denominator there is always 1. Okay. So into write the fraction here 1 by 2. So while we are multiplying the fraction by a whole number, just you have to multiply the numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. Okay. Now write here 3 into 1, it is numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Okay. Then which is equals to, so 3 ones are 3 divided by 1 twos are 2. So you may observe here 3 by 2 is in the form of an improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. It can be written as 1 whole 1 by 2. So what is the 3? 3 times of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 whole 1 by 2 is the product. Clear? Then the second product is 2 into 1 by 5. So we can also multiply the numerator to the numerator and write the denominator as it is. So while we are multiplying the fraction by a whole number. Okay? Which is equals to, so just multiply here numerator to the numerator. Here whole number with the numerator is 2 into 1 divided by, write the denominator as it is, that is 5. Clear? Then multiply the numerator here, that is 2 1 are 2 divided by, so 5 here, 5 write it as it is. So you may see here 2 by 5 is in the form of a proper fraction and no need to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, so it is about the fraction, multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Then next, second one, the fraction as an operator of. Fraction as an operator of. You will see here there is a picture having the fraction 1 by 2. Here the shaded part is 1 out of 2. Okay, then here also 1 by 2 out of 2. So which is equals to, we will get the product as, so here the fraction is shaded as 2 by 2 parts. Means out of 2 parts, all the 2 parts are shaded. Right? So it can be written as, so how many times half is it? 2 times of half. Right? So write it as half of 2. So here the picture is half of 1. Here the picture is half of 1. Means half of 2 times. Right? So which is equals to, we will get, so complete 1. Right? So complete 1. What is the half of 2? Into the half is 1. Right? So we will get the product as 1. So here half means that is the multiplication. Half means here multiplication. So which is equals to 1 by 2. Half indicates the multiplication symbol which is equals to 2. So before I said that the multiplication by a whole number which is equals to, just we have to multiply the numerator to the whole number and write the denominator as it is. So if I write like that, 2 1 2 divided by 2 as it is. So it is not in the simplest form or reduced form. Just you cancel here 2 1 you will get the product as equals to 1. Right? So it is the fraction as an operator of. So half indicates the multiplication symbol. Half of 2 means 2 half of 2 times of half. Right? So half indicates the multiplication. Half of 2 means 2 times of half. Okay. Then let's see an example. Half of 10 means here half write it as it is. Then half indicates the multiplication symbol. Then 10. So it is as if the multiplication of fraction by a whole number, right? So just write the numerator to the whole number 1 into 10 divided by, write the denominator as it is. Okay. So if it is comes to cancellation or simplify, you can simplify here itself. Okay. So I will simplify here. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Okay. So which is equals to 1 into 5 divided by 1. So 1 5s are 5. So divided by 1 is there. So it is not necessary to keep in the denominator. Okay. So the product of half of 5 is, half of 10 is 5. It's clear? So with the same type, solve this example. 1 by 4 of 16. So right here 1 by 4. This half represents the multiplication symbol and 16. Okay. Then which is equals to. So it is as the multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Okay. So right here 1 by 4. Multiply the numerator to the whole number and write the denominator as it is. Then which is equals to 1 16 divided by 4. You may observe here 16 and 4 are the multiples. Right? So 16 is a multiple of 4. We can simplify this. Yes, simplify here. I will divide the 16 and 4 by the 4. So sorry. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. 16. So which is equals to 1 4 divided by 1. So it is not necessary to keep 1 in the denominator. So the product is equals to 4. So 1 by 4 of 16 is equals to 4. Right? It's clear? Yes. Then let's see the multiplication of fraction by a fraction. The third one is multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Okay. So here I have taken the example 8 by 3 into 4 by 7. So while we are multiplying the fraction by a fraction, first we have to multiply the product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Okay. So we have to write it as product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of denominators. Okay, so now multiply numerator to the numerator. So which is equals to 8 into 4 divided by denominator to the denominator 3 into 7. Okay, then which is equals to multiply the numerator 8 4 ja 32. Then 7 3 ja 21. You may observe here 32 divided by 21 is in the form of an improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction and keep the product. So 21 whole. So it can be written as 1 whole 9 by 21. It is the product of 8 by 3 into 4 by 7. Okay, then let's see the B question. So 1 by 5 into 2 by 7. So first multiply the numerators to the numerators and the denominators to the denominators, which is equals to 1 into 2 divided by 5 into 7, which is equals to 1 2 ja 2, 5 7 ja 35. Okay, the third one is 3 by 5 into the numerator is not given and the denominator is given, and the product is 21 divided by 40. So we know that if we multiply the denominator to the denominator, we will get the product as 5 8 ja 40 and 3 into, but we know that what is the number here. So we can divide here 3 how much are 21, 3 7 ja 21, we will get the product as 21. Okay, therefore the given box is equals to 7. Right? So if I observe here, if we flip here 7, I will get the product is the when we multiply the two improper fractions. So when we multiply the two proper fractions, we will get the product is less than the proper fractions. Okay, once you observe here 8 by 3 and that is 32 by 21 and 4 by 7. So compare these two, you will get, so 8 by 3 is greater than the 32 by 21 and 32 by 21 is less than the 4 by 7. So here also you may observe 1 by 5 and 2 by 35 and the other fraction is 2 by 7. Okay, so 1 by 5 is greater than the 2 by 35. So right here, so it is 2 by 35. 1 by 5 is greater than 2 by 35 and 2 by 35 is less than 2 by 7. Right? You may see here, the two fractions having the same numerator and which denominator having the greater number, that is the smaller fraction. Right? So now 2 by 35 is less than the product, less than the 2 by 7. So hence we can say that, so when we multiply the two proper fractions, we will get the product is less than the two fractions. Okay, is less than the two proper fractions. Right? Is it clear? Yes. Let's see one of the example. Let's see an example. So here Sushant reads 1 by part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will he read in 2 or 1 by 5 hours? So here Sushant is a boy. He reads 1 by third part of a book in 1 hour. So how much part of book will he read in 2 or 1 by 5 hours? So in 1 hour he reads 1 by 3 parts, right? So in how much hour he will read? So in how many part of the book he will read in 2 or 1 by 5 hours? So what we have to do in these cases? Just we have to multiply the given two fractions. So here the time taken to Sushant reads in 1 hour is equal to 1 by 3 part, and part of book will be read in 2 or 1 by 5 hours. Okay, then let's see here the solution. Part of book read in 1 hour is equals to, in 1 hour he read 1 by 3 part. Okay, and part of book read in 2 or 1 by 5 hours. Then let's see part of book he read in 2 or 1 by 5 hours, which is equals to how much? Just we have to multiply here. So 2 whole 1 by 5 into 1 by 3. So see here there is a multiplication of mixed fraction into a proper fraction. So what we have to do? So first convert here mixed fraction into improper fraction and multiply the numerators to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. Okay, then convert 2 whole 1 by 5 as So 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 5 into 1 by 3. So now we multiply numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator, which is equals to 11 into 1 divided by 5 into 3, which is equals to 11 1 ja 11 divided by 5 3 ja 50. So he will read in 2 whole 1 by 5 hours, which is equals to 11 by 55 of a book. So he read 11 by 15 part of a book in 2 whole 1 by 5 hours. It's clear? Yes. Then let's go to solve the exercise 2.2. Yes. You may observe here in the exercise 2.2, the first question is which of the following drawings A to B show? So here they are given the whole number with the fraction, multiplication of whole number with the fraction and sum of the picture. So we have to say, so 2 times of 1 by 5. So which figure represents the product 2 whole 2 into 1 by 5. So just you have to point out that, okay. And the second one is 2 times 2 into half, means 2 times of half. Which figure represents the 2 times of half? Then the third one is 3 times of 2 by 3. Which picture represents the 3 times of 2 by 3? So you have to mark that. Okay. At the same time, the second question is some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. The first question is 3 times of 1 by 5 is equals to 3 by 5. So which picture represents the 3 times of 1 by 5 which is equals to 3 by 5. So you have to identify that and you have to answer that. Okay. So the third one is, and the fourth question is shade half of the circles in a box A. So in here they are given the 3 boxes. In the box A, we have to circle the half of the circles in a box. In that box they are given 12 circles. Half of the 12 means half of 12 is 6. You have to circle the 6 circles. Okay. And the second one is 2 by 3 of triangles in a box. So in the triangle there are 9 triangles. In the box there are 9 triangles. You have to shade 2 by 3 of 9. So 2 by 3 of 9 is, that is 6, right? So you have to shade 6 triangles. And in the third box, so 3 by 5 of the square in box C. So in the box C they are given the 15 squares. Okay. So 3 by 5 of 15 is equals to 9, right? So you have to shade 9 square boxes. Okay. So you have to do these first main, second main and fourth main in your textbook. So up to here we have learned the multiplication of fractions by whole numbers and the fraction as an operator of, and fraction by multiplication of fraction by a fraction, and also you have to do the textbook work. Okay. So in the next class we are going to solve the exercise 2.2 rest of the questions. Okay.